A grateful person is always abundant, while a complainer is always lacking. When you are short of money, remember that feelings of anxiety, jealousy, envy, disappointment, frustration, doubt, and fear about money will never help you have more money. These emotions come from not being grateful for money, complaining about money, arguing over money, feeling down about money, grumbling about the amount you have to pay for something, or making someone else feel bad about money. None of this reflects gratitude, and your financial situation will never improve if you continue like this. In fact, you'll only find yourself more and more lacking. Remember, no matter what your current situation is, your thoughts about money are what really matter. When you think you don't have enough money, that's a sign of ingratitude towards money. Be grateful for the money you have, even if it's not much, because it's at least enough for you to live and survive. Only when you truly feel grateful will money begin to increase in miraculous ways in your life. Anyone who is already grateful for money will be given more and live an abundant life. Feeling grateful for money, even when you have only a little, is a challenge. But you must understand that nothing will change until you change your feelings about money, and that is being grateful for money. Take a bill and write on it, "Thank you for all the money I've received in my life." Today, carry this magic money with you in your wallet, purse, or pocket, at least once in the morning and once in the afternoon, or whenever you feel like it. Take out the magic money, hold it in your hands, and read the words you wrote with genuine gratitude for the abundance money brings you. The more sincere your feelings, the faster the magic will change your financial situation. You never know when your money will increase, but you'll start noticing many changes that bring more money to you. You may find money you didn't know you had, receive unexpected cash or checks, get discounts or refunds, or receive material goods that you normally have to pay for. From today onward, place the magic money somewhere you'll see it every day to remind yourself of the abundance of money you receive. Don't forget, the more you look at the magic money, the more you activate magic to happen. When you feel like complaining about money, ask yourself if you're willing to pay the price for that complaint, knowing that complaints block the flow of money to you. Starting today, make a promise to yourself that whenever you receive money, whether it's a salary, a refund, a discount, or anything someone gives you that you didn't have to pay for, you'll feel genuinely grateful for it. Every time you receive money is an opportunity to use the magical power of gratitude and increase the amount of money even more than you received. Apply this method in your life and share the experiences and miracles it brings when money flows abundantly into your life. Practice gratitude and let happiness fill your mind. I am grateful for what I have. I am grateful for everything that surrounds me. I am grateful for the money that has given me a life of wealth and happiness. I am grateful for the money that allows me to live the life I want. I am grateful for the money that helps me take care of my parents in the best way. I am grateful for the money that lets me love the people I care about. I am grateful for the money that allows me to share more of my value with the community. I live in constant feelings of love and endless gratitude. I vibrate at the frequency of money, at the frequency of wealth, at the frequency of prosperity. at the frequency of abundance, at the frequency of happiness, at the frequency of joy, at the frequency of peace. I am grateful for the beautiful things that are on their way to me. I am grateful for what I have. I am grateful that the universe always supports me. I am grateful for the benefactors who have come to help me. I am grateful for my subconscious, which helps me attract amazing things into my life. I am grateful for the money that has given me a full, wealthy, and complete life. I use money wisely, for profit and in a smart way. I use money to take care of my health and the health of my loved ones. I use money to study and develop myself. I use money to love and be grateful for everything I encounter on my life journey. I use money to let it grow and multiply as it returns to me. I use money to fully enjoy the happiness in every moment of life. Being with my beloved parents, watching my children grow every day. I fully experiencing joy with the people I love and who are important in my life. I expand my love and welcome money into my life easily and quickly. Money surrounds me, and opportunities to prosper are everywhere I go. My bank account grows every second, every minute, with abundant income from various sources. My mind aligns with the energy of money. I am living in unlimited wealth. I have more than enough money to do whatever I want. I am at peace with having lots of money. I am happy with having lots of money. Money comes to me quickly, continuously, abundantly, powerfully, unexpectedly, and just when I need it. Money comes to me from many different sources, from many different directions. I love money. I am grateful for money. I am happy to have lots of money.